Gentlemen, welcome to a video that's about to set your life ablaze. We're diving deep into how to become the man she dreams of, but will never admit. This is pure psychology, no fluff, all fire. Subscribe, smash that like, and let's forge you into her ultimate obsession. She'll tell you she wants a nice guy. Her actions say otherwise. A 2019 study in evolutionary psychology found women are 60% more attracted to men with dominance, confidence, and edge. Ladies, you'll swear it's about kindness, but your heart races for the guy who owns the room. Let's unravel the psychology of what she craves and how you become that man. Attraction isn't random. It's wired into her DNA. A 2020 study in the Journal of Personality showed women prioritize men who signal high status and resource potential. This isn't about money, it's about presence. Case study. Tom, a quiet clerk, watched his crush fall for a charismatic bartender. The bartender wasn't richer, just bolder. Tom learned presence trumps a paycheck. Confidence is the first spark. A 2021 study found confident men are rated 50% more desirable. Stand tall, hold eye contact, speak with conviction. Real story, Mike, a shy student, practiced confident posture for a month. His classmate, who ignored him, started flirting at a party. Ladies, you'll say confidence is arrogance, but you're texting the guy who doesn't beg for approval. Dominance isn't about being a bully, it's about leading. A 2018 study in evolutionary behavioral sciences showed women are 40% more drawn to men who take charge in social settings. Plan the date, make decisions, own the moment. Case study. Jake, a passive engineer, let his girlfriend choose everything. She left for a guy who picked the restaurant without asking. Be the leader she secretly craves. Risk-taking sets you apart. A 2019 study found women rate men who take calculated risks as 30% more attractive. Start a business, try a bold hobby, stand up for your beliefs. Real story. Alex, a barista, joined a rock climbing club. His date couldn't stop talking about his fearless vibe. Ladies, you'll claim you want safe, but you're swooning for the guy who lives on the edge. Emotional depth seals the deal. A 2022 study showed women stay with men who balance strength with vulnerability. Share a story of struggle, but frame it with resilience. Case study. Chris told his girlfriend about overcoming a tough childhood. She said it made him real and deepened her attraction. Don't overshare, just show you're human. Unpredictability keeps her hooked. A 2023 study found unpredictable men are 40% more likely to maintain long-term attraction. Surprise her with a spontaneous trip or a bold move. Real story. Mark took his wife to a random salsa class. She bragged about his spark for weeks. Ladies, you'll say you want routine, but you're bored without the thrill. Status isn't just wealth, it's social clout. A 2020 study showed men with strong social networks are 50% more desirable. Build a tribe, friends who respect you, colleagues who admire you. Case study. Dave, a loner, started hosting game nights. His girlfriend noticed women flirting with him and clung tighter. Social proof makes you untouchable. Purpose is your secret weapon. A 2021 study found men with clear goals are 60% more likely to attract committed partners. Chase a mission, career, fitness, art. Real story, Sam, a graphic designer, poured himself into his portfolio. His girlfriend said his drive was insanely hot. Ladies, You'll deny it, but a man with purpose is your kryptonite. Here's how you transform. Step 1, fake confidence until it's real. Practice eye contact in the mirror daily. Step 2, take one bold risk this week. Join a class, pitch an idea. Step 3, plan a date where you lead every decision. Step 4, share one vulnerable story, but end with strength. Step 5, build a social circle, host an event, connect with high-value men. The brutal truth, she dreams of a man who's confident, dominant, and driven, but she'll never say it. Become that man, and she'll never look elsewhere. A 2017 cross-cultural study found women universally chase these traits. Don't be the nice guy she settles for. Be the one she can't resist. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about amplifying what's already inside. Case study. John, a nerdy coder, embraced his passion for storytelling. He started leading conversations and taking risks. His girlfriend said, "I didn't know you had this side." He became her dream man by being himself, unleashed. Gentlemen, this is your blueprint. Share this video because every man needs to hear this. Drop a comment. What's one trait you're building? Like this if you're ready to become her obsession. Subscribe and hit the bell for more psychological fire. She won't admit what she wants, so become it. Stay fierce. Stay magnetic.